This is the 3-phase, 3-wire wiring connection for DAE Polaris electric meters. Step 1. Insert hot wire A through CTA. Connect white wire of CTA to A+ of green terminal. Connect black wire of CTA to A- of green terminal. Step 2. Insert hot wire C through CTC. Connect white wire of CTC to C+ of green terminal. Connect black wire of CTC to C- of green terminal. Step 3. Short circuit the terminals of VB and VIN on the meter. Connect hot wire A of electric panel to VA terminal on the meter. Connect hot wire B to VB. Connect hot wire C to VC. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrols.com or call us at 248-635-3708.